Padmasambhava's pith instructions are extremely important because he is not just a legendary figure or an ancient myth. He is an actual person who continuously carries out spontaneous activities, including manifesting as the treasure revealers, so that there is always a fresh, unimpaired teaching that people can practice. This also ensures that Padmasambhava's spiritual influence and blessings are unceasing because of changes and fluctuations in world history. Before he left Tibet Padmasambhava concealed specific practices specially suited to various times in the future. These hidden teachings, known as termas, are later revealed by the future incarnations of Padmasambhava's disciples, great masters, who are emanations of Padmasambhava himself. They provide a method for accomplishment appropriate for each generation, period of time, and individual person.